Viewers, take a look at this do-it-yourself beauty dish made by Homero Velazquez. When I first saw this, mind blown. Yichong, I can almost tell that this is not difficult to do and it's gonna look really amazing. So I was thinking that we make one. You know what? Let's make 3. We try one with styrofoam, we try one with paper, we try one with plastic. You know what? Let's get Leah to work. So viewers, after hours, Lee and I came up with 3 versions of this do-it-yourself beauty dish. The first one, a rectangular styrofoam, one of the most environmentally unfriendly stuff. Second one, from paper. This is the easiest to do because it's easy to cut. Third one, the toughest to cut because it's the hardest, plastic. And to test out this do-it-yourself beauty dish with me, the lovely new model Swee Ling. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take 3 flashes, stick through this hole, mount them on light stands, do my nicest shot, you do your nicest pose, and then we're going to tell viewers which is which.
Why not? Don't tell us, just shoot the best you can. Let us guess which is which. Isn't that more fun?
That's a brilliant idea. Who got this girl in the studio today? Did you all know she's not just pretty, she's a dentist? That explains that brilliant idea. I like this. This is what I'm going to do. I'm not going to tell you what is what, which is which. I'm just going to shoot nice photo. You do your best pose. And I'm going to label them as A, B, C. And viewers, head down to the comment section. Tell me which one you think is the plastic, the paper, and the styrofoam. Let's start. So viewers, now you know why I go, look at the photos, they are just impressive. But it is your job now to figure out which one is the best. Tell me which one you think is A, B, C, which one is plastic, which one is styrofoam, which one is paper. In the comment section. And I look forward to review to you which is which. But there's also one more thing I want to test out. Because Modifiers like this, a lot of modifiers lose a lot of light to the ambient and to the back. So I'm going to have them facing to the wall. I want to see how much light they lose, because a modifier that loses too much light to the back is pretty much useless. It's all that spill. So you know what? One of the episodes we should do for our YouTube exclusive member is to put them there and then just light it up. See whether it spills light to the back. This is what I'm talking about. See? Spilling so much of light. That's not good. And there you have it. You can tell how important modifiers are. It doesn't really matter whether you buy them or make them, but what's important is that modifiers modify light. And that is why it's not surprising that e-learning all about modifiers is our second most popular e-learning course at my website. In the course of e-learning all about modifier, you're going to learn about what softbox actually do, how do they light up. You're going to learn about umbrella, reverse umbrella, direct umbrella, beauty dishes, big and small, strip banks, flag lighting. Is one of the most impressive courses that you should actually subscribe to. That way you can turn your light into multiple different type of lighting, directional, focus the light, make the light bigger, learn all these lighting rules of what you learn about Big Five and Famous Five for lighting. These are all made possible because of modifiers. That's why I always tell my students, if you want to be good in studio photography, master your modifiers. Using the wrong modifiers is like running a 100-meter sprint with a high heel shoes. And then our also very popular course, the premium courses, touches a lot about lighting and modifying. Head on to my website, check out this e-learning. Subscribe to it. Look at the price, it's really affordable. And speaking of which, it's time that you show some love to your favorite YouTube channel here, because we do so much of experiment here so that you don't have to. You know what, Yichong, I was thinking that we should take this experiment further. Take this do-it-yourself beauty dish, compare one that we have for the hot shoe flash, the one that we made with a bigger one, really made of metal, and then we're going to compare it with the studio version, and then do this experiment and then show it in our YouTube exclusive membership. What do you think? So hurry, join our YouTube exclusive members, choose level 1, 2 or 3, and then learn how different these are compared to professional beauty dishes. I suspect it can be pretty good, you know.
Why not? You just take a series of photos, the best that you can. Don't tell us. Don't. I feel like vomiting already.
Why? Am I that?
No.
You're not smiling enough. Smile a bit more. Try to give a consistent smile, because we are trying to test all the different modifiers. So I think you look nicer with teeth. What sort of question is this? It would be so wrong if I tell you, dentist, please don't smile, don't show your teeth. That's like asking me, should I add flash or not? I'm going to lecture you now for 3 hours. Can you cut the camera? I've got to lecture this dentist. Am I too near already? Yeah. It looks like it, huh? Yeah. Thanks for telling me now, yeah? Did you take out the wrong teeth? That never happens, right?
Guys, why am I sitting here like this? It's really
Awkward, right?
Yes.
Okay, let me explain why. We've never had a dentist on show. So we want to ask you some intro oral question.
Right, free consultation?
Right, okay, first one. What happens if you knock your lighting assistant teeth out? I heard that you can still put it back. What is the criteria to, like, how long does it take before? Can you actually put the teeth back if you drop it?
Yes, you can. But the criteria would be, make sure you pick up the tooth, not by the root end, but by the crown part. And then make sure you submerge it in either in milk or the patient's saliva, not your saliva.
I like how specific you are. We're going to take the teeth and then go up to that, hold the bottle and go like, pooey. Yeah, we're going to that. Is that what you mean? Right. So, but why milk? Why saliva?
It can preserve the periodontal ligaments around the roots so that you can, put it back. But you have to do it quick, like within half an hour to an hour. Right.
Another question. What happens if the root gets snapped off in the gum and then you get what I'm saying?
Right.
If the whole tooth come out, then it's fine.
Yes.
Yeah. What if it snap off?
I'm sorry. You just gotta do a root canal and
you can't use a elephant glue or anything. No. Okay. Second question.
Sure.
You know, when you dig out a skull, you see the pirate's banner with the skull and all that, it's got the teeth.
Right.
Everything rotted off. Question, will the bones and skull rot off too?
No, they won't.
How long? It will be there forever.
Forever, yes.
Forever. That's how you get fossil.
Correct.
That's how you find the parrot man. Yeah. Right? But my question is, why can't the teeth fall off?
Because the bone surrounds the tooth so nicely that it won't fall off so easily. You still need some force to actually remove the tooth. It wouldn't fall off by itself.
It will not.
It will not.